Are you looking for a dog food that truly delivers, not just on performance, but on real value, durability, and design excellence? You've come to the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we bring you in depth, unbiased, and honest reviews to help you make smarter purchase decisions every time. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dog food you can get right now, carefully tested and compared based on build quality, key features, performance, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons. Whether you're watching from anywhere around the world, our goal is simple: to guide you toward the right choice and help you invest your money wisely. And trust me, you don't want to miss the number one pick. It might just change your mind. All the latest prices and official links are listed below in the description box. Now sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into the review, only here on Review the Best Buy. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have Blue Buffalo 24-pound Wilderness Natural High Protein Dry Food for Adult Dogs chicken recipe. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful. Perfect for anyone looking for real value and reliability. Fuel your dog's natural instincts with Blue Buffalo Wilderness Natural High Protein Dry Food for Adult Dogs chicken recipe. Crafted to satisfy your dog's primal cravings, this premium formula features high-quality deboned chicken as the first ingredient to support strong, lean muscles. Combines wholesome grains like oatmeal, barley, and brown rice for a balanced blend of protein, fat, and complex carbohydrates. Enhanced with exclusive life source bits packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, this food helps support your dog's overall health and immune system. Blue Wilderness is free from artificial preservatives, colors, and flavors, ensuring a natural diet your dog will love. Additional ingredients like salmon meal and flaxseed provide omega fatty acids for healthy skin and coat. With nutrient-rich superfoods such as blueberries, cranberries, and turmeric, this recipe supports your dog's vitality and well-being. Perfect for active adult dogs, Blue Buffalo Wilderness delivers the high-protein nutrition they need to thrive every day. Moving up the list, number 4 is where design meets innovation. Coming in at number 4, we have IAMS 40-pound Proactive Health Large Breed Adult Dry Dog Food Lamb and Amp rice recipe, known for its cutting-edge features and solid performance that users around the world are loving. Provide your large breed dog with the nutrition they need and the flavor they love with IAMS 40-pound Proactive Health Large Breed Adult Dry Dog Food Lamb and Amp rice recipe. Made with real lamb as the first ingredient and supplemented with protein from chicken and eggs, this complete and balanced formula supports firm, strong muscles essential for active large dogs. Contains no fillers and delivers 7 essential nutrients to promote a healthy heart, along with antioxidants to support a robust immune system. Enriched with glucosamine and chondroitin sulfate from chicken byproduct meal, it also aids joint health and mobility. With wholesome ingredients like barley, sorghum, carrots, and flaxseed, this recipe ensures your dog's overall well-being and vitality. IAMS Proactive Health provides tailored nutrition that keeps your dog healthy, happy, and playful throughout their adult years. Watch now to learn why this is one of the best large breed dog foods for lifelong health and happiness. Alright, things are getting really exciting now. Our number 3 pick is one that's loved by thousands worldwide. At number 3, Royal Canin 14-pound size health nutrition small adult dry dog food. It delivers premium performance, outstanding comfort, and a look that never goes out of style. Give your small adult dog tailored nutrition with Royal Canin 14-pound size health nutrition small adult dry dog food. This complete and balanced formula is designed specifically for small breed dogs, providing the precise energy they need to maintain a healthy weight and active lifestyle. Crunchy kibble supports dental health while offering highly digestible proteins and fibers to promote gut health and a balanced microbiome. A careful blend of calcium and phosphorus strengthens bones, essential for your dog's mobility and long-term wellness. Made with carefully selected ingredients like chicken byproduct meal, brown rice, fish oil, and natural flavors, this food delivers excellent taste that your dog will love. Enriched with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants such as taurine, L-carnitine, and rosemary extract, Royal Canin helps support your dog's overall health, vitality, and well-being. Watch now to discover why this is one of the best dry dog foods for small adult dogs. We're almost at the top, and this next one is a runner-up at number 2, Wellness Core Dry Dog Food, grain-free, high-protein, natural wild game duck, lamb, wild boar. Built with precision and innovation, it's a powerhouse that professionals absolutely trust. Give your dog the nutrition they deserve with Wellness Core Dry Dog Food, grain-free wild game recipe, crafted with high-quality proteins like duck, lamb, wild boar, rabbit, and turkey. This grain-free formula is designed to mimic a natural, meat-focused diet, providing your adult dog with the protein-rich fuel they need to thrive. Enhanced with easy-to-digest legumes and a powerful blend of antioxidants, probiotics, vitamins, and minerals, this recipe supports optimal health, digestion, and immune function. The inclusion of a fish and flax omega blend promotes healthy skin and a shiny coat, while glucosamine and chondroitin help maintain joint health. Free from meat byproducts, grains, corn, soy, wheat, gluten, and artificial additives, Wellness Core ensures a clean, wholesome meal your dog will love. Packed with natural ingredients like spinach, broccoli, blueberries, and apples, this premium dog food helps keep your furry friend energetic and happy. Watch now to discover why Wellness Core is one of the best grain-free dog foods for overall wellness. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best of the best. At number 1, Purina Pro Plan Complete Essentials Shredded Blend Chicken and Rice Dog Food Dry Formula with Probiotics. This one redefines what performance really means. Unmatched build quality, user satisfaction, and a reputation that speaks louder than words. Keep your dog excited for mealtime with Purina Pro Plan Complete Essentials Shredded Blend Chicken and Rice Dog Food Dry Formula with Probiotics. Made with real chicken as the first ingredient and wholesome rice, this dry kibble combines tender shredded pieces for a delicious texture that your dog will love. This formula delivers 100% complete and balanced nutrition, providing optimal levels of protein and fat to maintain ideal body condition. Enriched with vitamin A and omega-6 fatty acids, it supports healthy skin and a shiny coat. Plus, the added probiotics promote digestive health, helping your dog thrive from the inside out. Formulated with high-quality ingredients like poultry byproduct meal and fish meal for glucosamine, this food supports joint health as well. Whether you have a puppy, adult, or reproducing female, Purina Pro Plan offers tailored feeding guidelines to meet your dog's needs. Make the switch gradually over 7 to 10 days to ensure a smooth transition. Give your dog the nutrition they deserve with this premium dog food. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.